Do you think you need a fancy degree to become an AI engineer? Think again. Some of the best AI engineers in the world are self-taught, and today I will be showing you how you can become an AI engineer as a complete beginner without a degree. This roadmap is useful if you are a complete beginner to AI and you know nothing about AI, or maybe you are trying to switch your career into AI. So stay until the end of this video to get in-depth knowledge on what to do. And a big disclaimer here. The roadmap or the opinions which I am going to talk in this video are not mine. I mean, you won't trust a 16-year-old sitting in the home, right? Can you? I discussed with more than 7 AI professionals who are currently in the industry about this, and I did my in-depth research. So, I am Anasi Akash, and let's get started. AI is booming and companies like Google, Tesla, OpenAI care more about your skills than your degree. If you can build AI models, solve real-world problems and showcase your work, you can get hired even without a degree. So, without any delay, let's jump into the process. Step 1. Learn Python and AI basics. Python is the language of AI. Start with Python and learn essential libraries like NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib. So this is your first step. Learn Python. It's very important for AI. Just start learning Python and build projects constantly. Once you feel you mastered Python and once you are comfortable, move on to AI focused tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Step 2. Master machine learning and deep learning. Learn how AI models work. Study supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and deep learning techniques like neural networks, NLP, and computer vision. I know you are currently a complete beginner and these all seems very hard and different for you, right? But once you start learning Python and master it, these all will be very easy. You can get a course or many tutorials are available on YouTube to learn Python for free. If you want top 10 free Python courses, comment Python in the comment box and I will make that video for you. And remember, those courses are for complete beginners. So comment Python and I will make the video. And now moving to step 3 is to build real world projects. Theory alone won't get you a job. Build projects like chatbots, recommendation systems and AI powered apps. The more projects you have, the better your resume looks. Step 4. Showcase your work online. Post your journey and projects constantly on LinkedIn and GitHub. Post about what you learned and contribute to open source projects to gain real experience. Step 5. Get practical experience. Start freelancing on Upwork, Fiverr or participate in Kaggle AI competitions. Even unpaid internships or personal projects will boost your skills and credibility. And finally, step 6 is to apply for AI jobs. You are almost ready. Look for jobs that focus on skills, not on degree. Many startups and even big companies now hire based on projects and problem solving ability rather than a degree. So yeah, this is a short, rapid roadmap to become an AI engineer without even a degree and completely as a beginner. It looks simple with just 5 to 6 steps, but believe me, to become someone companies can hire, it will take months of dedication and learning. I have a very good suggestion for you. That is, just don't waste time watching any other video, but start learning Python. Python is very important for artificial intelligence. If you master Python completely, then you can find a person or guide on LinkedIn who can guide you through the entire process. So my suggestion is just don't waste time and learn and start learning Python and master it. And that's what I'm doing now. So yeah, this is for this video. I will meet you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment your opinion in the comment box. I am Anasi Akash. Jai Hind.